Well, hello. So I'm not really working on the Escalade much today, but what I did do is I set up this little jig with a welding shield in it, and this is my old lens for my camera, the camera that you're watching me on right now. And I did get some weld spatter on this lens, so I bought a new lens because it was creating a little blob. So what I want to do is I want to try to make a welding lens specifically. So I took a 2.5-inch intercooler pipe, cut a little slot in it, and then I put some electrical tape on the inside of it. So I have a nice little window. And what I want to try to do is make a little welding lens because I think it'd be cool to see welding arc. And I did notice in the analytics on my videos that when I'm doing welding shots, people are skipping over those portions of them. So if I'm doing a bead and I have a shot of like me sitting there welding, people are skipping over that section of it. I can see a dip in the analytics. So people aren't watching that portion of it. Not everybody, some are watching, but some people are skipping off. So I thought I'd try to make it a little bit more interesting and see if maybe I can set something up and actually get good welding arc shots while I'm welding so we can kind of see what's going on there, and maybe it would help me learn for myself and help other people learn so they can see the puddle. That's what I'm going to try to do. Let's try it. Okay, so I have this little piece set up. I'm going to try to make sure the camera is aligned. So I'll run a couple of beads here. This is aluminum, and I'll take the lens off and I'll leave the camera in this position. We'll see what it looks like. All right, so I have a new lens made, and I used 2 pieces of the sunglasses. So I cut them up, so I have 2 lenses, and I have this lens in there, and we'll see what it looks like. The one looked really good, so I'm gonna try 2. Alright, so there was the last couple welds. Again, that middle one was a 40-43 and this was a 53-56. And that was the last long weld I just showed. Alright, so that was a test. Let me know what you guys think about that. From my little bit of viewing that I did on the camera, it looked like it turned out pretty good. So let me know what you think. If you'd like me to start to incorporate some of that a little bit more into the videos when I'm doing the welding, let me know.